What's up, YouTube? Today is my birthday, and I have two gifts. One is this collector's Forces of Nature thing, bam, which my wife got me, and my gift to myself. It's so big, but it's a Tepig thingy. I really wanted the little Tepig right there. So this video I will be opening this one. Next video will be the other one. So let the opening proceed. Sorry if you hear crying babies out there. Those are the munchkins. And also came with a big, giant, huge card, which I will write my name up there. I wish that card was real. That would be cool. So, start with the Tepig. Pretty sure the fire goes like so. Fire. And Tepig's little feet go right there. And it's the cutest little toy ever. It's also a card holder, people. Now you see this little thing right there? It's a whole card, just like the Victini one that I previously opened. So I will let Tepig join his Victini over there. And I think the camera is a little too high, so I'll adjust this. Okay. So up first we have God damn it. The holographic Tepig, which is not normal, so that's a good addition. I will put that in my deck possibly. Then we have Quaching 1 online code. We have 3 emerging powers: Cobalion, Tornadus, and Braviary. Then we have the Gigantomundo 3D card. 3D, I don't know if you can see the 3D-ness. But I get to name the move. I will name the move Super Move. I'll put that card behind them. Hopefully they don't fall. Okay. Then I will open the first pack. From emerging powers, I want catchers. Catchers. You saw the purloin. Online code. 1, 2, 3. 2. We have Purloin, Rufflet, Pampor, Venipede, Roggenrola, Drillbur. Oh, I don't know if you guys never noticed, but it's like a rainbow on every normal type. I never noticed it till like last day, like 2 days ago. I was gonna say last day. Reverse Panseer. And our rare is a Braviary holographic. Yay, 1 holo. Put that off to the side. Let the minion handle it.
Minion?
Yes, minion.
Do you know what minion is?
A minion is my minion.
Okay.
So, online code.
Don't just throw it.
Shush, minion.
No.
Pat Rat. Rufflet. For the Braviary, yes. Dharma. Sorry for that phone ringing. That was unexpected. Clink. Sigilif again. Recycle. Whack. Boldort. Reverse Gotharita. And our Oliviani. Wow. That sucks. That sucked so bad. Now, Pack number 3. Online code. Sorry, that was out of the camera. 2, 3, 1, 2. I don't know if you can see that, but I think the 2 hollows or rears or whatever, they're like darker than the rest. I noticed it right away. They look darker than the rest to me. Okay, we have a rock and roller, Joltic, Gothita, Purloin, Cottony, Tranquil, Audino, whatever your name is. Ooh, a reverse Verizian. Okay, not too shabby. And a stupid ass Shwoobat. Well, that's the end of this video, people. That's all she wrote. Stay tuned for the second video. Thumbs up for my minion's hand reaching over the screen. That's all she wrote.